Craving pizza but don't want to order in? Try these super easy and delicious pizza recipes all made at home. First up, mug pizza. For this, start by taking 4 tablespoons of maida in a microwave-safe cup. Now add 1/8 teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda and salt. Mix it all together. Now add 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix until it forms a soft dough, then press it evenly against the sides of the mug. Now time for the toppings. Add ready-made pizza sauce, sprinkle chopped veggies of your choice and layer with cheese slices. Now add another layer of sauce, top it with more veggies and finish with grated cheese. Now garnish with sliced red chilies and mixed herbs, then microwave for just 1 minute. And there you go, piping hot mug pizza in minutes. Now let's move on to mini pizzas. For this, in a pan, heat some oil and butter, toast in chopped garlic, then saute your veggies. Season with salt and pepper and set aside. Next, saute mini paneer cubes in turmeric, red chili powder and crushed kasuri methi. Cook and keep aside. Now time to make the sauce. For this, saute garlic and onion in butter and oil, add tomato puree, then season with red chili powder, pepper, salt, sugar and a splash of tomato ketchup. Simmer till thick. Now lightly toast mini pizza bases on one side with butter. Now spread the prepared sauce, top with your choice of veggie mix or spiced paneer and then load it up with cheese. Now place the pizzas in a buttered pan, cover with a lid and let the cheese melt beautifully. Now that's it. Cheesy, flavorful mini pizzas perfect for snack time or parties. Which one are you trying first? Mug pizza or mini pizza? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and share for more easy recipes.